The Tiverton gazebo was sold at Target. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number SA-585. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 10 by 12 and is single-tiered. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are ball ornament at the top of the frame, square frame posts with an embossed circle design at top of each post. The canopy attaches to the gazebo with hooks that insert around the top perimeter of the frame. Please do not confuse this gazebo with the Tiverton gazebo. Both frames look identical, however, the Tiverton is two-tiered. The Tiverton roof is single-tiered. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Tiverton gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric, from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have DuraPocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.